Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can find the value of any Steam profile. Now, this is the value in hours played, the value on the games that are on the profile, and so on. Now, it's very easy. Let's say you have a friend and you want to know the entire value of their whole Steam account. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is actually open up the Steam application. Now, I found this, this profile, and I want to know the value of this profile. So what I want to do is I want to go into the link right here. I want to copy the link, and then I want to go to Google Chrome or any browser you use. Now go to steamdb.info and open up the calculator right here. Now from there we want to paste the Steam community of the profile you want to calculate, and from there press enter. Now as you can see right here, the account value is valuated at 753 euros. Now let's say he bought all his games today, he will be roughly around 2,000 euros, the price of today. And here you have the hours on record of all games, and some little information here. You can find the Steam ID and everything else. Now it's quite interesting, even the average price per hour that you spend on the games. Now it's very easy, as you can see. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.